What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog on the bike. Just got out of work. It's a beautiful 65 degrees here in the state of Michigan. Got a couple things I want to talk about today. This past weekend was the blessing of the bikes, and there was a tragic event that took place up there. My wife and I, we went up Saturday. We went up there, hung out for a little bit. Didn't make it to the actual blessing on the Sunday. The Saturday is basically just a party night. But from what I heard and some of the stuff that I was reading on social media, there was a 16-year-old girl that died on the way back. From what the comments and stuff that I see, you know, you guys know how social media can be. Somebody leaking wrong information. So I'm not going to speak too much on that because I don't know the facts. But from what I heard, speed was a factor on that. And I guess later on that day too, there was another rider that got killed in Muskegon, 27-year-old. So that one involved the motorcycle and a truck. What the Facebook journalist put on there was collided with another motorcycle. Like I said, I'm not sure if that's legit or not, but also I'm not sure if alcohol or if they were under the influence. Sorry if you can't really hear me too well. It is kind of windy here. But I also kind of want to touch on, you know, biker awareness a little bit. You know, it kind of goes both ways. You know, people have to look out for motorcycles, but in my opinion, I think we got to look out for vehicles as well. Like, you know, there's some people who do stupid shit, weaving in and out of traffic. You know, don't get me wrong, I like to have fun on my bike as well, but I'm not speeding a whole lot. I mean, I ride a Harley. I mean, this thing will get up and go when I need it to, but, you know, and I like to feel the torque getting on it, the low gears. But other than that, other than that little bit that I do, you know, tend to speed a little bit, that's it really. You know, I like to cruise basically. But, you know, lane splitting, you know, I've done it. I've only done it when I felt like I needed to. Like, for instance, when I was in Chicago last year, it was hotter than hell, and being bumper to bumper in traffic, I mean, you guys probably know how Chicago traffic is. I didn't want my bike overheat, and I believe it was like 97 degrees that day. They were in an extreme heat advisory. But I mean, here in the state of Michigan, it's illegal, just like many other places. I don't even think we have lane filtering here. But yeah, you know, we all got to share the road. You know, it's not just a biker's road, not just cars. You know, and I never understood why some people, you know, they go to like these motorcycle rallies, and, you know, obviously there's drinking involved. Drinking, drugs. I personally, I don't do drugs at all. You know, when my wife and I, when we go out, you know, I'll drink a beer or two, but like it's 2 beers, I'm not getting completely smashed. But also, I also wait a little bit for me to even operate this machine. I'm not going to put myself or my wife's life in danger, and I also don't want to risk the possibility of getting in trouble because I have my CDL, and that's a big no-no if you carry one of them. Said Baldwin, going up to the blessing of the bikes, you know, people do drink a lot up there, and if you are from the Michigan area and have gone to that, there are some curves up there that, you know, they sneak up on you pretty quick, and some of them can be pretty tight. So, you know, we just gotta slow down, not ride under the influence. I mean, hey, you guys do what you gotta do. I just don't do it. You know, you guys are gonna live your life, I'm gonna live mine. You know, I'm just rambling on about this stuff. Some of you guys probably won't care, But hey, it's all good. I also kind of want to talk about gear a little bit. You know, I always ride in a full face. Early on, I was in a half shell. But since I started creating videos and stuff for YouTube, you know, it was just better to go to a full face. I got a couple full face. I got one modular and this Ruroc that I currently have on right now. But I think I prefer the modular, but I think I'm just going to get a different one based on the color of it, which that one is blue. And it wouldn't really match my bike a whole lot since I switched everything over to gold. So I think I'm going to go either black or white. If you guys have any recommendations on helmets, you know, leave them down in the comments. I'd greatly appreciate it. Today, you know, I'm in boots. I normally wear tennis shoes. You know, boots would probably be the better suitor, to be honest, but I guess it's all just personal preference. And also early on, you know, I would ride around in shorts, but lately, the past couple of years or so, I've been riding in pants. You know, I just got to protect myself a lot better than what I have done. You know, I would like to get some more leathers, but that stuff's expensive. I mean, I know if I want to be safer, you know, you got to be willing to spend the money. Eventually, I will work up to getting it. You know, I also, my daughter, she rides on here with me, and I need to get her better protected than what she is. But yeah, I'm not going to try and make this video too long. You know, it's got out of work and just wanted to share a few things. You know, what happened over this past weekend, you know, it's tragic from the events that happened with the 2 deaths. There was also some other motorcycle involved accidents that happened up there and throughout the state. I was trying to find an updated statistic to see how many motorcycle crashes have happened so far in Michigan, but I couldn't really find anything. I was just finding data from a couple of years prior. But yeah, I'm just trying to keep it short, sweet, to the point. So with that being said, I think I'm just going to end this one here. You know, if you guys want, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to be having some more stuff coming out as the weather's changing for the good. So, you know, it would really help me out. You guys subscribe and like, share, comment, do whatever you guys got to do. You know, I'm trying to grow this brand. So I guess I'll see you guys on the next one. If you guys want to keep following along on my journey, it's been a hell of a ride so far, and I can't wait to see where this takes me. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace.